react to video. I got my little man. What's your name?
Doncho.
In the building.
Yes.
And we're gonna do a prank on Dad. So tell me what we're about to do. So basically,
we about to prank Dad. I'm gonna say, "Can I get a?"
No, I'm gonna say, "Can I get it?" And you're gonna say.
Okay.
And look, we're gonna get Dad's reaction, and then if we don't get a reaction, we're just gonna keep doing it until Dad reacts.
Yes.
Let's see how this goes. Hopefully it goes well, guys. All right.
See how I'm making him happy? No crying at all.
Can I get a? Can I get a? And another. Man, what the heck was that?
How you gonna say daddy? That's sick. Absolutely sick. Absolutely sick.
And you just sitting over there like nothing's going on though, right?
I'm completely flabbergasted. Completely.
Martine, can I get up?
I'm tongue struck.
Martine, you don't know how to sing the same sound Junior say? Martine's like, leave me alone. That's it, babe. You don't got no reaction. You just sitting over there like you hear this every day.
It's sick. I'm tongue tied right now.
Tongue tied. You speechless.
Ow. Ooh. Hidden camera was in the building.
Yeah.
I am completely tongue tied. Can't believe my ears. Yeah. So in those cases, parents, you just fall back. You know what I mean? Like just chill. You listen, observe, and then you act.
What's the act?
I'm not even sure yet. I haven't done that yet.
That's messed up.
I'm still tongue tied and shocked
Wow.
that my 7-year-old knows to say daddy.
That's messed up.
Hey, but if he's gonna do it, this is the best time to do it when I'm exhausted. Because if it was like 10 in the morning, woo! Lord help that child.
You so stupid.
He catch me at 8 at night. Oh no, I'm done.
That's messed up. That's messed up. All right, guys, that is the video. We was trying to get a reaction, but I'm not sure if that was all the way ready for this one. So, gonna have to catch us on another one. But thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment and like. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn the post notification bell on. And we'll see you guys again on another one. Bye.